Please get ready for a dictation of transcription number 104 from Sir Kailash Chandra magazine. 5 seconds. Start. In recent months, we have seen how speculation took place in regard to certain foodstuffs and other agricultural commodities. The Reserve Bank bulletins issued recently tell us that lots of money were advanced by a number of scheduled banks in order to back up the speculative operations and buyings of certain concerns. Similarly, monies had been advanced for speculative purchasing with regard to other commodities. Such things are happening, but the point is that these speculations go on merrily in this country, supported by those very elements who control the stock exchange and the financial world of our country. I should like to know to what extent this is going to be stopped. It is sad that we are in a bad situation, and in order to give a proper direction to the planned development of the country, it is essential to direct the investments and speculative investments in particular. How much this measure conforms to these, I should like to know from the government. It appears to me that not very much will have come out of this measure, notwithstanding the fact that government is armed with these powers. It is of vital importance today that we should have proper control of our investments that are taking place, or cornering of shares in some cases. If we are at all serious about the planned development of our economy in general and our industry and commerce, In particular, I am afraid the powers that are being taken by the government under this bill are not at all sufficient for ensuring such developments as would enable the government to direct investment and control transfer of shares, etc., in conformity with the interests of planned economic development. This is what I find from the reading of this bill and even from hearing the speech that has been delivered by the Honorable Minister. Stop.